JavaScript output defines the ways to display the outputs of a given code. The outputs can be displayed by using four different ways which are listed below. The first is by writing into an HTML element using inner HTML. The second way is by writing into HTML output using documents.write. The third way is by writing into an alert box using window.alert. And the fourth way is by writing into the browser console using console.log. To access an HTML element, JavaScript can use the document.getElementsById method. The ID attribute defines the HTML element. The inner HTML property defines the HTML content. So, document.getElementsById demo is going to return this paragraph, and so we want to change the inner HTML property to the result of 5 plus 6, which will change this. Okay, there's actually nothing there at first, but when you run this page, what will be outputted is 11 in this paragraph. I don't know if you understand. Document.getElementsById demo is going to look for the element that has this particular ID, and then it will set the inner property, the inner HTML property, to 11. For testing purposes, it is convenient to use document.write. You can use an alert box to display data as well using window.alert. In JavaScript, the window object is the global scope object. This means that variables, properties, and methods by default belong to the window object. This also means that specifying the window keyword is optional. So you might decide to just omit the window keyword and just say alert directly, and then the value that you want to be outputted. For debugging purposes, you can also call the console.log method in the browser to display data.